If you're wondering if you can use Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra as a power bank for other devices, first of all, if we open settings on our device, we can find the battery options, and then there's one option called wireless power sharing, which allows you to share power from your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to another device that supports wireless charging as well, and then you can charge that device. But also we can check if it works with cable. So if we connect the USB-C cable to Samsung right here, and then the other end of this cable to my phone, we should be able to see if it starts charging. So as you can see, the Samsung started charging, but we want to charge my phone. So let's go into the status bar right here and select USB charging phone, and on the bottom select charge connected device with a switch. That way my phone will start charging instead of the Samsung, which confirms that this device, Samsung, is able to power share. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.